In this video, we are going to be talking about the remaining 5 words that you must know in 2024 or whatever year you're watching this video. These are Web3 words that you need to know. You must know. You don't have any excuse not to know them. Okay, so let's get started. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just in case you are seeing this face for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Emmanuel and I am a blockchain developer. And yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning viewer or a subscriber, welcome. Yeah, thank you for coming back to watch my video. And yeah, but before we get started, please do well to like this video and share this video, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Okay, let's get started now. The next word we are going to be looking at, which is like the sixth word, is cryptocurrency. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses blockchain technology, cryptography, and is decentralized. Now, if you don't know what blockchain is, in my previous video I talked about what a blockchain is. So please, this is a good time to note that you have to go and watch that video. Now, what is cryptography? Cryptography is simply a way for you to secure a piece of information or data using algorithms, using advanced mathematics. So cryptography is what makes cryptocurrencies safe to use, is what makes it secure to use. And then cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that there is no single point of control, there is no agency that is controlling it, there's no government that is controlling it. It is free to use for all. Now, there are 3 things you need to know about cryptocurrencies. Number one is that there are no transaction limits. So you don't have like a fixed amount that you say that okay, you cannot move beyond this particular amount of money, or you cannot transact beyond this particular amount of money. It's not a thing. Now the second thing is that there is little or no transaction fees or cost. Now, depending on the blockchain you're using, you can pay very minimal fee or even no fee in some cases for you to actually use cryptocurrencies. Now, the last thing to know is that international transactions are fast. Now, one of the beautiful things I love particularly about Web3 is that moving money, sending and receiving money is easy from anywhere in the world. So you can literally send money to another continent using cryptocurrencies, and the person on the other continent gets it, and everybody is happy. Please don't feel like that. I love it. I love it. Yes, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, and each of them have like different uses and features. Now, before I proceed, I want to quickly talk about the difference between a coin and a token. Now, what is a coin? A coin is a cryptocurrency that has or that is being operated on its own blockchain, meaning that it is built on top of its own blockchain. For example, there is Bitcoin and there's Ethereum. Now, these are actually cryptocurrencies that actually run on their blockchain. So Bitcoin is a blockchain, and then it has its own coin, which is Bitcoin. And then there's Ethereum. Ethereum has its own coin, which is Ethereum, or it's also called Ethers. So yeah, that is for coins. On the other side, tokens are cryptocurrencies that are being built on top of other blockchains. So for tokens like BAT, and some other tokens, Dogecoin, some of those other tokens, they are being built on another blockchain. So they don't necessarily own the blockchain. Also stable coins are also tokens because they are being built on another blockchain. Now, what is a stable coin? A stable coin is a cryptocurrency that its value is tied to a commodity. Now, in most cases, those commodities are fiat, which could be like dollars or maybe any currency, any country currency. It could also be like real life assets like gold. So, stable coin means that these currencies are usually their value is usually being pegged to the value of the commodities, making the prices to be more stable. Now, one thing you need to know about cryptocurrencies is that the prices are very volatile. So it goes up and it comes down, it fluctuates depending on how the market is feeling. So it's very important that you have that in mind. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile. The prices are very volatile. But for stable coins are more stable because they are being pegged to a commodity like dollars, in some cases, or like gold. Yeah, that's actually very important to know. Another thing I want to talk about are altcoins. Now, when you hear altcoins is a term that is used to describe every other cryptocurrency aside Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is the very first cryptocurrency to exist. So any other cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin is called an altcoin. Another kind of cryptocurrency you should know is shitcoin and meme coin. A shitcoin and a meme coin are cryptocurrencies that do not have any real use case. So there's no like specified purpose for the creation of that cryptocurrency. They are just being created to be traded. Yeah, so it's not very stable, it's very volatile as well. Alright, so let's talk about DEXs. Now, what is a DEX? A DEX is short for Decentralized Exchange. A DEX is an exchange that allows its users to trade their cryptocurrencies without any central authority. It uses smart contracts to facilitate the transactions between the users. If you don't know what a smart contract is, then you need to watch my previous video, okay? DEXs allows the users to remain in control of their assets, and it also provides increased security and privacy compared to the centralized exchanges. So this means that users can trade their cryptocurrencies amongst themselves without needing an intermediary or a middleman. Think about it like a farmer's market where each farmer has an opportunity to have their own store or their own shade and then have customers come to them directly to buy from them. So that is exactly what a DEX provides you. It gives you an opportunity as a user to sell your cryptocurrency or buy cryptocurrencies from other people without anybody interfering. Okay, so let's talk about testnet. Now, testnet is short for test networks. Now, a testnet is simply a blockchain that is used for testing and experimentation. Now, usually testnets actually operate the same version of softwares used in the main blockchain, but it is actually separate from the main blockchain, and it allows the developers to actually build stuffs that can be tested before it gets into the hands of real users. So you can do everything that you can do on the mainnet on the testnet. The difference is that the money that you have on the testnet is not real and it doesn't have value, like real-time value. And then the applications that you build on the testnet, it works perfectly, but then it is not the final version. So after the testing has been done on the testnet and everything works well, then the developers then move it from testnet to mainnet. Now mainnet is just the main network, the main blockchain network that the token or maybe the smart contract or whatever is being published to, and then it's being used by real users. So testnet allows developers to test out new features, new products, new projects without spending real money, because for every transaction that you do on the blockchain you usually pay a fee. So now developers are able to build stuff without spending real money, and the users also are able to test those things without spending real money. Another good thing is that whatever that is done on the testnet does not affect the mainnet. Let's talk about wallets. You can call it a Web3 wallet or you can call it a crypto wallet. So what is a wallet? Now, a wallet is a digital tool that is designed to store and manage digital assets on the blockchain, such as cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and so much more. Now, Web3 wallets can be categorized into two: non-custodian wallets and your custodian wallets. Now, the non-custodian wallets are wallets whereby the user have full control and access over their private keys. Now, I have to say this: your crypto wallet does not necessarily store the assets, because those assets, your cryptocurrencies and NFTs, are being stored on the blockchain. What your wallet stores are your keys. Now, those are like private information. They are just private information that you can use to access your digital assets stored on the blockchain. So, what does a non-custodian wallet do? A non-custodian wallet gives you access to actually store and manage your own keys, so you store it yourself. On the other hand, the custodian wallets, they actually manage your keys for you. So it's just like having a third party manage your keys for you. But there's something we say in Web3: not your keys, not your assets. So if you're not the one storing your keys, there's high possibility and risk that something can happen tomorrow and all your funds are gone, because anybody that has access to your keys has access to all your assets in that particular wallet. So it's very important that you keep your keys safe. Now, there are also two kinds of wallets. You can have a hot wallet and you can have a cold wallet. Now, a hot wallet is a wallet that is being connected to the internet, or maybe a software-based wallet, while a cold wallet is a wallet that is offline, and in most cases is usually a physical or a hardware device. So you need to know the difference between all of those things I just mentioned: non-custodial, custodial, hot, and cold wallets. Those are the four things, or the four kinds of wallets that you need to know. Beyond storing your assets, your wallets can also serve as your digital identity in the Web3 space. So with your wallet, you're able to interact with decentralized applications. You're able to vote. You're able to. It's mainly like it can act like your digital identity in the Web3 space. Your wallet usually has two things. It has the public address, and then it has the private key. Now, like I mentioned, your private key is private to you, and it is what gives you access to your assets stored on the blockchain, while your public address is what you use to receive cryptocurrencies or any of those assets into your wallet. So let me give you a relatable example. Think about your wallet as a piggy bank. Now, a safe piggy bank that needs a password for you to be able to withdraw your funds. Now, think about the public address as the name of your piggy bank. So with the name of your piggy bank, anybody can find your piggy bank and put money in your piggy bank. But then it is passworded, meaning that only you has that password that is needed to withdraw money from your piggy bank. Now, if you share that password with anybody can actually like have access to your piggy bank and take all your money. That is why we say your private key is private to you and should not be shared with anybody. So I hope with this analogy you are able to really understand how a wallet works. So yeah, let's move on to something else. Now let's talk about decentralized applications, commonly known as dApps. Just as the name implies, dApps are actually applications. Think about your smartphone applications, your desktop applications. They are regular applications, but now with a plus. They are decentralized, meaning that they are being built on the blockchain. It also means that there is no central authority, there is no single point of failure, and then it cannot be censored. It is free to use for everybody. They operate on the principles of decentralization, transparency, and peer-to-peer interactions. In the Web3 ecosystem, dApps are fundamental. So they bring the blockchain technology to everyday use cases. So from your social media applications to finance applications to your games to whatever you can think of. dApps are just the replica of the everyday applications we use on the blockchain. The only pluses is that it's more secure, there's more privacy, there's more transparency, there's more openness, and then possibly rewards using them. There are regular applications that are being powered by the blockchain. Wow, we have covered a lot. If you watched the previous video and you watched this video to this point, I am sure that you have learned a whole lot. Please don't stop here. Don't stop learning. Please do well to go back, look at each of these words and do your research. Learn as much as you can. Remember that knowledge is power, and that is especially true in this rapidly evolving world of Web3. So please, this is where I beg you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, so that I am encouraged to make more videos like this. And please share with everybody that you know, so that everybody is educated. So when we are having those conversations, everybody is able to participate, everybody is able to understand what we are saying, and we are well informed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment if you did. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.